Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact Google account that held the files and why they disappeared. This matters because ownership drives recovery options. Once logged into Drive on the web, go straight to Trash and scan by date and file type. Make sure two-step verification is enabled so you can access recovery options later. Then, select the items and choose Restore. This moves files back to their original folders. If you can't find them, proceed to Account Activity and Admin Tools next. Once done with Trash, pivot to targeted searches using Drive operators to reveal buried files. For example, type date ranges or owner filters to narrow results. If you're on Workspace, ask the admin to run an audit or use the admin console's data restore, which can undo deletions up to 25 days. This is why account type matters. If search and admin restore fail, export account data with Google Takeout to capture remnants. Then run a trusted recovery tool on exports or local copies. You finish by restoring recovered items into a new, clearly named folder, and then verify each file opens and has correct sharing settings. This prevents accidental redeletion. If expected files are still missing, escalate to Google support or, for Workspace, use the admin restore window. Explain timestamps and affected users. Make sure you keep a local backup or use scheduled Google Takeout exports going forward, because prevention is faster than recovery. One key troubleshooting tip: check the account activity log for unexpected deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.